Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file an unemployment claim online. First, ensure you have all necessary personal information, including your social security number and current address. Next, gather your complete employment history, detailing employer names, addresses, and dates of employment for the past 18 months. Finally, have your bank account and routing numbers prepared for direct deposit, which is the quickest way to receive benefits. As you navigate the online application, carefully enter your last day of work and the precise reason for your job separation. Be sure to disclose any severance pay, vacation payouts, or other earnings you received upon leaving your previous employer. Accuracy is crucial, so take a moment to review all the information you've entered before moving to the next section. This helps prevent delays in processing your claim. To support your claim, you'll typically need to upload certain documents. This often includes a government-issued identification, like your driver's license or state ID. Also, have your W-2 forms or recent pay stubs from your past employers readily accessible. Depending on your situation, you might also need proof of citizenship or legal authorization to work in the United States. Once you've completed all sections and uploaded necessary documents, perform a final, thorough review of your entire application. After confirming everything is accurate, submit your claim. Make sure to save any confirmation numbers or emails you receive. Afterward, regularly check your state's unemployment portal for updates on your claim status and any requests for additional information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.